I don't know why I was about to say hello, hello. I don't say hello, hello. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little Boxycharm unboxing. The box feels very loose this month. Like last month it felt really packed. This month's a little loose. This is the Boxycharm All Access Pass, I guess. Starting off, there's a decent amount of brushes in here. This is a 5-piece eye kit. Packaging did kind of push the bristles out of the way. This is the Moda Pro by Royal and Langnickel 5-piece deluxe eye kit. I was like bike racing, BMX bikes. This is shade brush, BMX 466, crease brush, BMX 430. Is this supposed to be like a bike theme? Detail brush, smudge brush, and line brush, BMX 498. 100% vegan, no animal products used, and cruelty free. So can you see like how bent that is? I'm sure after I wash it and dry it, it should be fine. They feel really nice though. Ooh, this is like the fluffiest smudge brush I've ever had in my life. Most of the what is English? Most of the time smudge brushes I get are very like compact. All the hairs are very compact. So we're stuck together, very closely packed. Next in here, what is this? Laura Geller something? Laura Geller New York. Doesn't that look delicious? I would eat this. Like, that looks like gelato. That's so pretty. What is this? Some type of I called it. I said it looked like gelato. It's baked gelato swirl illuminator. I was right. And the shade Ballerina. I remembered I do have this brush. I've gotten it in Boxycharms before. I remember the logo with the like little crown on it. Just gonna grab some, put some on the back of my hand, grab it on the brush because why not, right? Very oily looking, so like very slick. Do you see that? That's pretty. I'm gonna try with my finger now. That's the finger swatch. That's a brush swatch. This is what's most likely going to look like on your face. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I was gonna say pretty, pretty, but then I just ended up saying pretty, pretty, pretty. Next in here, this is Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. I really want to see what color the sleeping mask is because I don't want to like get it all over my white pillowcases. Ooh, does this not look sleek? I like this. I like the whites. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's like tinted green, but pretty much white. So this might be okay. Oh no, it's like colorless once you actually get it all over. It's right here. Okay, that's not bad. I wonder how often I use this. Use nightly. Oh my gosh, do I have to change my pillowcase nightly? This is what I live for. I have like 35 pillowcases. Not all of them are white, but 90% of them are white pillowcases. I have like 35 pillowcases. Okay, I don't know what that was. This is the MAC Frost lipstick. Why? Okay. I'm not the biggest fan of MAC products in general. Yes, this is in the shade Frost. This is not what I was imagining at all. For some reason, I was imagining like icy colors. Ooh, that's pretty. It's kind of reminding me of the Orgasm blush. It's like pretty peachy and it's got like a gold sheen undertone to it. That's pretty. Next in here, last thing in here, actually, this is a palette. This is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. I love getting eyeshadow palettes in Boxycharms, so I'm pretty excited. It has a little mirror in here. Let's not look at how dirty my house is. It has a little mirror in here. Ooh, my hand's kind of tingling from this. Well, it's not tingling, it's just very cool feeling. Kind of feels like I got icy hot on my hand from the mask. Anyway, moving on. Also, is this kind of a small amount for a mask, for a daily mask? It's fine, whatever. Moving on. It's got a little mirror in here, got 10 shades. Take this off. And it looks like this. Now I'm immediately going to check on 2 colors to see how well they do, because I feel like these colors are really tricky to get right in eyeshadow palettes. Let's start with Plum Berry. Looks like that. And let's just put that on the arm. Ooh, that actually went on really well. I wonder how that would go on in the eyes, but that looks really nice. And if this emerald shade works also, I'll be pretty darn impressed. These eyeshadow names though are pretty generic. It's funny because we see all these like crazy eyeshadow names. Ooh, this is nice. We see all these crazy eyeshadow names, but this is like cream, sand, pink, dusty rose, plum berry, gold, emerald, cinnamon, and black. Like, telling you straight, telling it like it is. Got to wipe my fingers. Let's go into pricing of this Violet Voss Essential Eyeshadow Palette. $29. Dr. Brandt Sleeping Mask. This was 1.7 ounces for $52. This has to be really good on my face, or this will not be worth it. Good thing I didn't buy it and I got it in my Boxycharm. The Moda 5-piece brush kit was $27.95, so that's just a little under $6 for each one. Not bad. The MAC Frost lipstick was $18.50. The Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl, I'm an expert at makeup shapes apparently, was $26, and that will be a total of $153.45. Where did that 45 cents come from? The 50 cent and 95 cent stuff. What is 95 cents? What is this? The corner store? No, you're selling makeup. Just make it an even number. You're not tricking me with that 95. I'm rounding up. Alright, so $153.45 paid, you know, the regular pricing. And so I'm pretty impressed by these right here. Should I try another color? Let's try one of the mattes because both of those were shimmers. Dusty Rose does feel a touch dusty. It's alright. It's alright. We'll see how it works on the eyeballs. Ooh, look, Essentials. It goes like that, and then it's like, no, it doesn't really do that. Never mind. Alright, well that's the end of that. Let's kind of go over what I'm excited about. I'm really excited for this because it does look like it's going well. This one I'm pretty excited about because this like subtle sheen look is to die for. This will be like my new natural everyday highlight. I'm using right now the, is it the Catrice one? It's one of the really cheap ones from Ulta. It's like Catrice or Essence, I can't quite remember which one it is, but the pure nude one that was really popular for everyday, that's kind of my everyday grab right now. But then this one will kind of give me like a different shade option for an everyday highlight, and that's pretty darn exciting. Also, I got the shape right. Oh, I love brushes in any subscription because I don't like to spend money on brushes. Specifically, they do feel really nice, so I just have to see how they hold up when I wash them and then actually use them. Then I'm pretty excited for this, and you know, this is cute. I don't know if I would ever really pull that off really well. Like, I try to do pinks, like peaches and oranges for lips. It just doesn't work as well for me. I need like mauve-y, like purple-y tones on my lips. I don't know. My lip color is like naturally a little bit like purple tinged. Actually, tangent, you can leave now because the video's over, but that's just a tangent. My brother has like super purple lips in the pool. Like, I remember when we went to like King's Dominion or somewhere with a wave pool. Oh, we were in Taiwan, you know, like a wave pool there, and I turned over and I was like, are you cold? Like, do you have hypothermia? Are you okay? He was like, what are you talking about? Why? And his lips were legitimately purple. Like, they were purple. And I was like, I think you're cold. Like, I think you gotta get out of the pool and put on a towel. And then I'm just realizing now as I get more into makeup that like my lips are naturally a little bit more purple than they are like red or pink or whatever. But yeah, you know, And I realized that because I have this one liquid lipstick that's like a little bit purpley tinged, but on me it looks like my lips but a little bit purple, or like my lips but better type of a thing. But like on my other friend it just looks straight up purple, so I was like, okay, never mind. I'm just a little bit purple. Anyway, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you stuck around this long, thanks for hearing my tangent story. I will see you guys next time.